Hey, welcome back to my channel. Qagea Center Console Wireless Charger Tray Replacement. Red Placeman. When the wireless charging tray of your original car is broken, it will be very inconvenient if your phone is out of power. You can directly buy our products to replace them. Our product quality requirements exceed OEM standards and are 100% factory inspected. Easy installation. The wireless charger tray of the center console is very simple to install on the center console. You can find the installation video on the internet, and the reference video can be installed in a short time. We provide a full set of installation accessories. Your center console armrest will not be damaged during installation. Quality and features. The back heating plate of the wireless charger tray is made of high-quality aluminum, which facilitates heat dissipation and protects your mobile phone and mobile phone battery from damage. Built-in multiple protection functions such as overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, overtemperature, short circuit, overpower, etc., to ensure stable current output and protect your car and equipment. Warranty: 2 years warranty for the center console wireless charger tray. If you have any difficulties and needs, you can contact us at any time. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.